How to repost any public Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to repost any public story on Instagram in just few easy steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app. And now here, once you're inside the homepage, just open any public story that you want to repost. And now here, once you are in the story, what you can do is you can just tap on the share icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, at the bottom left side of the screen, there you will see the option labeled as Add to Story. So just tap on it. With that, the story will now appear in the story editor where you can customize it by adding text, stickers, and other effects. If you want the story to fill the entire screen, you can just tap on it to resize it as well. And here, after making any changes you like, you can just tap on the arrow icon to repost it, and with that the story will be shared to your account and the original creator may be notified that you have reposted their story. And when your followers view your story, they can tap on the reposted content to view the original story and visit the creator profile. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.